This is how to make an ultra romantic plum and brie stuffed chicken. Start by cutting a slit into the side of your chicken breast, and this is where you're going to stuff it with your plum and brie filling. And then you want to season your chicken with salt, freshly cracked black pepper, a shake of paprika and a good sprinkle of dried basil, and just repeat the process on the other side, making sure both sides of your chicken are well seasoned. And this is a good opportunity for you to use up any of your leftover fruits. Slice some plums into relatively thin slices, then cut some nice thick wedges of your delicious creamy brie. And next you want to stuff your chicken breast with plenty of those sliced plums and brie, and don't be tempted to skimp on those fillings. And then you want to secure your chicken breast with some toothpicks. I just used some skewers which I snapped in half. And now moving on to prepare our honey mustard and garlic glaze. We're going to mix plenty, and I do mean plenty, of whole grain mustard with freshly minced garlic, melted butter and plenty of runny honey. And just give that all a good mix and set aside. And now we want to sear our chicken. Melt some butter with some olive oil in a very hot pan. Carefully add your chicken breast. You do want your pan to be very hot so you can get a beautiful golden brown colour. And when your chicken breast is golden brown on one side, glaze with plenty of your honey mustard and garlic sauce and bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. And when your chicken breast is golden and cooked through, just remove from your pan and you'll find you've been left with this delicious chicken stock, which we just want to reduce down with some of your leftover honey mustard glaze. When your stock has reduced, add in some freshly chopped parsley, and when you're left with this thick rich stock, add your chicken back to the pan and baste with those juices. Add a final sprinkle of some fresh chopped parsley, and that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, click that notification bell for more.